So in order to bleach the hair today, I am going to be using this bag, which I don't want to mess up my table because this is the little side table I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be opening this bag and just spreading it across the table. I am going to be using this powder here from Clairol. So I'm going to be using this powder here. You're not able to see too clear. And then I'm going to be using this 30V. Alright, volume 30. I'm going to be using my tail comb, and I'm going to be using this container to put the mixture in. Alright, so first of all, let me go ahead and just prepare the table using this bag, and then I will be back. Okay, so now I have prepped my table, I have on my gloves. It's time for the process to begin. So I do not know a specific measurement that I'm supposed to use, so I'm just going to be pouring until when my mind tells me to stop. Oops, the spill on the table. Let me see if I can take it up because I don't want that to go on the hair like that and damage it. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this in. I do not have a specific measurement for this either, so I'm just gonna pour it in and then mix it out until I think that is good enough, because I don't want it to be too watery and I don't want for it to be too thick. If you have a brush, you can use a brush, but I'm using what I have. See, it's coming into that nice thick paste. I think I can pour a little more of the liquid on it. Remember, the hair is already blonde, but I just need for it to be a little bit lighter than it currently is. So I don't need to do too much. Alright, what I'm gonna do now is just basically to just comb through the hair. Alright. So I'm just gonna comb it through. Make sure everywhere it's got on it. Yeah, if you had the brush, you would then be able to use the brush. But I have the comb, so I am using the comb to comb through. And once I've done all of that, I am going to be leaving it for half an hour. Alright. If you have a different technique, you can use whatever technique you have, but this is the technique which I have and which I feel comfortable using, so I am going to carry on using my little technique here. And I'm just trying to just get this to spread all over the hair. Alright guys, so as you can see, it starts to change color and start to look like what I want it to look like with the blonde. However, I'm just using my hand to go through and go under, like under here, to just rub in the bleach, right? Because as I said, I don't want the honey look in it. I want for it to have that nice blonde look. Alright, if a little bit of honey is in it, that's alright, but I mostly want for it to be blonde, like under here just put it under this part here. Yeah. And so that is what I'm doing, and I'm going to leave it for it to process. Alright, because it says half an hour, to leave it for half an hour, which is 30 minutes. So this side still have some honey look to it, so I want to get out this part here. Looks like it's going to look good, guys. Right, so quick update. It's changing color, which I'm happy about. And as I'm combing it out, yes, I know I'm using the wrong comb to comb it, but so far it's starting to look like what I want it to look like. And no, the hair is not, it's not falling out, it's not shedding. So I love that about this human hair. Color is coming, guys, exactly like what I wanted it to be in the first place. So sometimes when you buy your hair and it don't come out look like what you expect it to look like, you can basically go ahead, buy your products and bleach it yourself. Customize it into what you want. Alright, so I'll give you another update later on. So here we are. My blonde is coming. Alright, guys, there you go. And so I'm still waiting for this side here. This side is taking a little bit longer, but this side is okay. So I don't want for it to be too over processed, so I'm going to rinse it out now, and hopefully everything is a-okay. Alright, so I'm gonna show you after I finish rinsing it out. Alright, so this is the hair now after I have blown it out. Alright, it's coming together. Now what I've put in it, I've used, because it's human hair, so I've left the contour leave-in condition in it, and I've also sprayed wig shine in it, since it's a human hair wig. And also what I'm gonna do now, I have this contour oil here. It's a tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil. So I'm going to just put some of this on the hair itself, then give it one more blow, and then I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the hair. Alright, so I just put just that amount in it. And then I'm going to just put this in it, blow it out, so at least it give it some amount of shield. I'm going to give it one more blow now, and then I'm going to flat iron it. This is looking so lovely. I will have to give it another dose of bleach, but so far this is looking really good. Really, I don't mind this at all. Alright guys, so this is it of me bleaching the wig and giving it a nicer color. Looking at it here in the camera, I prefer it in person. It has a nicer color in person. However, when I do wear it and I put on my makeup, you will then see the photo of it, and yeah, but so far so good. I don't mind it. It's looking way better than before. So there you have it. Alright guys, thank you so much for being a part of this video. Yeah, I really love it. I'm feeling myself. I think when I go a bit lighter, a bit blonder, it is even going to be very perfect. Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around, and look out for the video when I'm getting dressed and going out in this hair. Alright, so thank you once more for being a part of this video. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and walk out. Happy holidays. Bye.